Hello, and welcome to Data Engineering White to Blackbird Learning Series. This is first intro course, White Belt, where I will give introduction to data engineering, why to become a data engineer, and describe the structure of a learning series. It is highly recommended to look this course and then jump to other courses of this path. With that said, let's get started. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Haik, and I'm a senior data and big data engineer in Provectus IT company. I have more than 5 years of professional experience in data engineering and more than a year of teaching experience. You will find the link to my LinkedIn account in description, and you are very welcome to follow me in LinkedIn, where I am sharing lots of interesting information and news about data engineering. So, let's start from whom this learning path intended for. This is complete from intro to advanced course, designed for anyone who want to learn data engineering. If you are a software developer or data scientist or analyst with about 1 year of experience, or any other IT professional with about 2 years of experience, you can jump right to green belt of this series. If you are new in the IT industry, it is mandatory to have a look at the yellow belt of this course and then proceed. It is basically prerequisite for all learning shares and the longest course beside last projects. So, let's discuss why learn data engineering. First, it is fastest growing job role since 2020, 50% year-over-year growth by number of open positions. Second, it is in 8th place in highest paid engineering jobs since 2021. It is applicable in any field from healthcare to iGaming and even in manufacturing. Data and data engineering are essential pieces of any business. There can't be data-driven decision making without data engineering. So now the million-dollar question. What is data engineering and who are data engineers? Let's see the typical application stack. Users or clients can see the front end of the app. Frontend talks with backend using some kind of protocol. Backend uses different types of databases, object storages or other data solutions, maybe messaging systems, to store and retrieve necessary data. From other side, business users want to analyze that data to make data-driven decision making and get valuable insight for business. Here is the problem. The way backend needs and uses the data is completely different than the business users, particularly data scientists or analysts, need the same data. Here is where the data engineering comes to play. Informally said, data engineers map data coming from backend based on business user requirement. Said formally, data engineers work on variety of settings to build systems that collect, manage, and convert raw data into usable information for data scientists and business analysts. So, based on this, data engineers cooperate with three stakeholders: with backend to get raw data, with data science or analysis to get requirements, and with DevOps to deploy appropriate stacks and solutions. This wide range of cooperation means that data engineers should have enough knowledge about backend, DevOps, or DataOps, and data science to be able to cooperate with stakeholders. Now, let's discuss learning sales structure. At first, this is not the course about some specific tool or technology. For data engineering, you need to know lots of tools and technologies. This is complete path for whole profession. So it would be hard and it will take long. The courses series consist of 7 parts. From them, first is this introduction course, 5 learning courses, and last is the project course, Black Belt. During learning courses, I will guide you to different free learning materials that already exist in internet to collect enough skills and knowledge to be able to understand the projects. Yellow belt is basically prerequisite for the rest of the course. During last part, we will build different solutions together to practically use knowledge gathered during learning courses. At the time of recording this video, I already released white and yellow belts, and the rest of learning courses are still in process. When learning new profession, it is really hard to understand what to learn to match market needs. So during this course, I will help you to find out that. The purpose of this course is to make you production ready and market aware data engineer. There is a lot of useful material publicly accessible and a lot of garbage. During each module, I will provide you links to tested courses to learn. My intention is to prepare you for work, so we will use that knowledge in projects. All projects are very common use cases in data engineering, and there is high chance that you will come across with that kind of task in your work environment. Now that you know the learning sales structure, let's get our hands dirty and start your data engineering journey. See you in the next battle.